Good morning, students. Have a nice Saturday. Once again, we are on online teaching, right? Today, I am going to teach you a very useful lesson, very useful unit for being healthy and happy, right? You should keep it in your mind. Generally, if we look at different people in the world around us, what we see? We observe that we are not alike. We are not alike. That means we all are different from each other in many ways, physically as well as mentally. So, we must see our own nature and the nature of the other people for our being happy and healthy. We are different in shape, in size, in temperaments, in liking, disliking, thinking, characters, all these things. We all are not alike. We all are different. And these all things must affect our health. These all things must affect our health. So, we must observe, we must study our physical as well as mental status. Today, we live in science and technology, in hi-fi era, in fast era. So, we have to suffer more and more. Generally, science says physical disease, they occur from external factors. Physical disease, they occur from external disease like wrong diet, and science says physical disease, they occur from external factors like wrong diet, khotu bhojan, khotu ahar, and exposure of pathogens. Pathogens means bacteria, virus, and that you can very easily see, you can very easily experience nowadays. COVID-19, wrong diet and exposure of pathogens, they are closely related to physical disease. The same way, mental disease, they occur from external factors. External factors responsible for physical disease. Internal factors, they are responsible for mental disease. They are responsible for mental disease like stress, strain, anxiety, indigestion, headache, pain, mental disease. Mental disease, they occur from internal factors and negative emotions. Very important things to be studied. Okay, generally, internal factors responsible for our mental disease like stress, anxiety, worry, indigestion, negative emotions, and okay. So we must think positively because all these things they must affect our health. So the prime thing is to think positively. Positive thinking is one of the great remedies. It is one of the great remedies to be healthy, to be happy. Our Ayurveda suggests different levels for healing, for well-being, and for being happy as well as healthy. Generally, we believe that health is wealth. Health is wealth. So, a person must be healthy, must be sound physically as well as mentally. Let us see in this unit mind, body and medicine. Mind and body, they are closely related. Mind and body, they are closely related. बहुत नजीक से कड़ाया mind and body. As per view of Aristotle, a sound mind is in a sound body. A sound mind is familiar proverb. Familiar proverb. As per view of Aristotle, a sound mind is in a sound body. क्योंकि तंदुरुस्त मन एक तंदुरुस्त शरीर में ज वसे. So, it is our moral duty, it is our prime duty to keep our health, to maintain our health very well. Health means not only physically as well as mentally. A person should be healthy. A person should be sound and act. Then we can live normal life. We can enjoy our life very well. We can taste everything in the world. And if you are not healthy, we can't enjoy. We are not able to enjoy our life. Right? Let us see here what is given to you, what is suggested to you. Mind, body and medicine. Read one. Now I read and you have to understand the meaning of sentence. What is requirement? What is our requirement? To be healthy and to be happy. According to Ayurveda, physical disease, they occur mainly owing to external factors like wrong diet and exposure of pathogens. Virus no alone. Mental disease, they occur from internal factors like wrong use of the senses. Wrong use of the senses, इंद्रियों જે ખોટો ઉપયોગ છે તે increase of negative emotions. Negativity is closely related to internal factors for being mentally unhappy, weak. We ought to develop the habit of positive thinking, and positive thinking, it is very useful to remain healthy. Physical and psychological mental disease, they are usually mixed and one seldom occurs without the other. Some disease like acute infections, glossary, acute means severe, serious. Acute disease, acute infections, तीव्र चेपी रोग have almost entirely physical causes. ये बाह्य कारणों जवाबदार है, and they can be treated purely on a physical level. અને આવા જે acute infection છે તેના માટે બાહ્ય સપાટીની સારવાર જરૂરી બને છે. However, તેમ છતાં most disease have psychological cause. પણ તમે જોઈ શકો મિત્રો, મોટાભાગના જે રોગ છે સાયકોલોજીકલ કોઝ. એના માટે તમારું મન જવાબદાર બની જાય છે, મનોવૈજ્ઞાનિક છે. And all lasting disease, they have psychological effects. અને એને મનોવૈજ્ઞાનિક અસર છે. That means internal factors. અને internal factors માં આપણે જોયું wrong uses of senses. Wrong use of senses. આપણે જે ઇન્દ્રિયોનો ખોટો ઉપયોગ કરીએ છીએ, મિસયુઝ કરીએ છીએ. અને મહત્વની બાબત એ છે નેગેટિવ ઇમોશન્સ. તમારી જે લાગણીઓ છે એ નકારાત્મક જે લાગણીઓ છે એ સૌથી વધારે તમારા હેલ્થ ઉપર અસર કરે છે. અને એટલા માટે વી મસ્ટ થિંક પોઝિટિવલી, કે હકારાત્મક જે વલણ છે, પોઝિટિવ એપ્ટિટ્યુડ્સ, positive attitudes, they are more useful to keep one healthy, right? In the modern developed science and technology world, our problems are mainly psychological, because we have already made our life hectic. We have already made our life hectic. We have sufficient food, we have sufficient clothing, we have sufficient shelter. પ્રમાણસર ખાવાનું પણ મળે છે, પ્રમાણસર વસ્ત્ર પોશાક પણ મળે છે, અને આવાસ પણ પ્રમાણસર છે, પૂરતું છે. છતાં we are not happy. What is the reason of our not being happy? What is the reason of our not being healthy? If we have sufficient food, if we have sufficient clothing and shelter, yet we are not happy, we are very sad. What is the reason? Most of us have no reason physical problem. Generally, people suffer from mental, psychological disease. And the main reason of psychological disease is our lifestyle. Keep it in your mind. We have enough food, we have enough clothing, we have enough shelter. Yet we are not happy nowadays. Then we must think. We must observe what is the reason of our not being happy or healthy. So the prime reason is lifestyle. We have already made our lifestyle. We have already changed our lifestyle. As a result, we have to suffer from psychological disease. We still suffer from psychological unrest. Unrest means unrest, uncomfortable, beating, unrest. The unrest may manifest. Manifest means visible. Visible as feelings of loneliness, ekalta, not being loved or appreciated, anger, stress or anxiety, and all these things weakening our psychological energy, and that makes us unhappy,